My father bought some classic vehicles years ago, so I would like to show you some of them from my personal collection. And also there will be a mystery car, so if you can guess what it is, please feel free to comment below and I'll reveal it to you at the end of the series. So please sit back, enjoy, and don't forget to like, comment, share, plus also remember to subscribe as well. Thanks guys, I hope you enjoy. Back in the 50s and 60s, having a car was a wonderful thing to help you get down the road, but of course you had to deal with all weathers. A lot of classic car enthusiasts know that if you take your car out in the freezing temperatures, that they might not work correctly, or might not even start. When it snows, the road gets salted, but this slush concoction of ice and salt water can play havoc on your car's paintwork or even bodywork. When it's time to store your car away for the winter, you need to check the tyre pressure, as in the cold weather the air pressure will decrease. Make sure that the right pressure is applied using the right tools. If too much pressure is applied, then you can always take some out and then recheck it. My father used to tell me that when your car's bodywork is exposed but you don't have much time as the weather is not on your side, it will need to be covered with something, because if you left the bare metal it will rust from external to internal. You can always use some paint for now, and when the summer comes back you can sand down the previous paint you applied and then put on the new panels needed for your restoration. One of my good friends showed me that you need to look after the leather seats in your car as well as the interior, because with the weather changing below zero, the car's interior could crack or break up.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Want you to rock me.